your volume all the way up. This map noise,
Yeah, I got it.
you can barely hear it. All right, let's start. Oh, it's also really dark, so Jesus.
Okay, yeah. We get
He's
lighter.
turning-
Alright,
It's
hang on.
annoying.
Game on.
Just saying, it's
Oh my God.
pretty. It's pretty quiet.
Alright,
Oh,
look, this is what we do. There's like lighters on our left side. There's lighters. Yeah.
lighters.
You
Yeah.
should get a lighter.
So if you need to
Ooh.
pop a cigarette,
We get a smoke.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, we should pop
You
one.
burn your ass hairs?
wait, don't go
Alright,
there,
don't
Miles.
jump
It will
down
kill
there.
you.
No, don't jump. Go, 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 go. Isn't she supposed to like? Did you have a
It looks
good
like
player
Scooby-Doo.
experience?
Where are you guys?
Yeah.
We're
up
above you. We're spectating.
in the heavens.
Yeah. I already put the plank. Yeah.
I can't
Miles,
move.
what's your thoughts for how quiet it was? L plus
We
ratio.
lost him.
Oh crap.
Oh, Angel, go in that room that you're.
Game over.
Bozo. Oh my god. Bozo.
So Miles, did you find it very quiet?
There's like some beatbox shit.
Oh my god. Freaky on a Friday night.
All right, let's run that back.
Run it back, run it back.
All right, it's extremely quiet.
We should play breaking.
When is it started?
Game on.
All right, we know what to
There
do
we
now. Speed run it. We're gonna speed run it.
I actually don't even know what to do.
Just speed run.
Okay, go over here. There should be a plank in the room on the right. It's like all the way at the back. I got it. I got it. Now we gotta place
Speed
it.
run. Speed run. Speed run.
There you go. Okay, take a left. We're gonna go to the back rooms. We're going to the bathrooms.
Okay,
Yo.
we're in the rest. We're in the bathrooms.
Okay.
I'll stop following games until she pulls up.
I don't know. When is she gonna pull up?
Guys, I'm kind of anxious. Ooh.
Let's go this
No,
way.
if Joey was here, he would have been saying, okay, I pull up.
Okay, I'll pull up.
Guys, I'm pretty anxious.
Guys, follow me. We're gonna go in here.
This is
Oh, we
locked.
can't.
Where,
Locked.
Miles,
where
Oh.
did you go?
you startled me.
Where did you go? Crack babies online. Oh. Go.
Miles.
Miles. Go.
God.
Go back. We lost Miles.
Where do we go? Ah!
How about it? Go to the back room. Go to the back
How the
room.
hell did you get back in?
I don't know.
Bathrooms. Go.
Guys.
Everyone hide in here.
Ooh,
pretty
What
anxious.
is that? Oh,
grab the balls.
look at this. Yummy.
Yo, guys, this is not
Yummy. Let's
acceptable.
burn. Look what he found in the bathrooms.
Hey, back, Negro. I almost blocked you.
Like you keep looking inside the shelves. Might be. Oh my god.
Floating lighter?
This is so aesthetic. This is so aesthetic, bro.
Here, I'll tell you if she's outside. Okay, I don't know.
I'm
Let me
pretty
back
sure
in.
you can hear it.
Let me back in.
Ooh, balls. I throw my balls at her.
All right.
Oh my god.
El Bozo.
I'm out.
Oh, Miles. I think she's
I think
still
she
over
about
there.
to pull up.
Should probably go back.
I'll throw my balls. Watch. Watch.
Oh. No.
Throw your balls at it now! To the bathrooms! Miles, come back to the bathrooms! I dropped my lighter! I went to the bathrooms!
Go.
I don't have my...
Okay, bathroom.
Oh, she's in here! Guys, run! Run!
Look what I found. Miles,
I don't know why I'm so scared.
Miles, I found your ball.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, check the thing.
How do we beat this? What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Wait, maybe we have to
I thought you guys
ball.
played this.
What? This
It's like once.
we haven't gone that far.
Wait, let's take it right. We haven't gone right. Oh, yes, we have.
Oh, bozo.
Bro, I'm scared. I don't know why.
What if there's like a key we
Very
need?
scared.
Wait, try using the ball in the locked door. No?
No, it didn't work.
Wait, I'm a notebook like I did in that one video.
Something tells me she's
That's
about
not
to pull up.
published yet.
Is that a Gorilla Tag video?
Whoa.
Put my balls in your face.
You know, if she pull out
I
right
can't
now,
get out,
I'm about to
man.
cream.
Chill.
You know, it's so loud. I think that's what's scary about it.
Wait, let's
What
go
is
over here.
that? Static.
There's probably stuff in here. No. Okay, I'll pull up. Oh no, the holy water. Remember the water. It's on this door. Go back to water. The health potion is here. Well, guess what it is? That's all that matters. Oh my god.
Oh look, I'm watching from the heavens.
No. Help.
another item
Help. Please. Help. Help me. Where are you guys? Go inside.
Guys, there's an item over there.
Where?
Alright,
It's
keep
because I threw the
going.
health potion.
Oh, over here. Go behind you. Go behind you.
Ooh. Go.
I think you have to go through here. Angel. You have to open the door.